How to print in Gemini AI. So if you want to print in Gemini AI, then what you need to do is first you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Once you have the internet connection, you need to open up your browser, and on your browser you need to search for Gemini. Now once you search for Gemini, you need to go with gemini.google.com and make sure that you've logged into your account. After logging in, you need to enter a prompt, like for example, I'm here with my 2 months weight gain journey. After that, you need to scroll down and you'll find all of the information right here. So in order to print this, what you need to do is, I'll just simply go with this much. I want to print, or you can also just simply go with export to sheets option, which is right here, which will export it to sheets, and it's easier to print that way. Or you can also just copy. And once you've copied, you need to right click on it. And once you right click, you will have a print option right here. So just click on print, or you can also press Ctrl P, and as you can see that you will have all of the information right here. So you can save it as a PDF, or you can also save, or you can also go with print and you'll be able to print. That's how you can print in Gemini AI. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.